Hey there mga my love Sagittarius! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel, babe. So, before we start ng content pala natin ngayon, alamin natin yung mga bagay or pangyayari na hindi mo mapipigilan na hindi maganap, Sagittarius. So, yun yung mga babes, let me just greet everybody. Hi and hello sa mga new subscribers. Ako po si Yan, welcome. At sa mga returning viewers, thank you so much for the warm love and support you're giving me. So, kung hindi niyo pa po knows, meron pa po tayong isa pang channel. The link is down below the description box. Kaya kung interesado ka rin tumambay dyan, then kita-kita rin tayo there. So yun nga mga babes na wala po tayo ditong gender, bae, lalaki, LGBT, cross-watchers, you can click those if you want. And at the end of the day, you always have your free, well, na free mo rin namang gamitin. So let's move, no? At alamin dito yung mga kaganapan dito na hindi mo mapipigilang maganap sa G. So, Spirits and Angel, guys, Archangel Michael, thank you so much. Ano po itong mga bagay or pangyayari na hindi mapipigilang hindi maganap ni Sagittarius, please? Ano po itong mga pangyayari or mga bagay na hindi mapipigilang hindi maganap ni Sagittarius, please? Can you please show me Sagittarius? Just take only what resonates, sweethearts, okay? Wow! Thank you so much. I heard, no? I missed you, miss yan. Kung sino man yon, yan, thank you so much, okay? Pag nalulungkot ka, just drop by lang dito sa channel na to. Pero syempre, just take only what resonates, no? So, thank you for the love you're giving me, mga babes. So, let's go ahead and check these messages here. Latag naman natin lahat sa ating table. Knight of Swords energy. Strength card. Eight of Cups. The Hierophant energy. Justice. Seven of Coins. Eight of Pentacles, Seven of Cups, and the Three of Cups. Yan. May friend ka dito, Saji. Nagpaplano siya rito na kontakin ka. And I think may offer siya rito about work, about business, pag negosyo, team up, teamwork, yan. And I think this is a friend right here na naiisip yung potential mo for this. Malaki yung maitutulong mo or may aambag mo dito. So, nakita siya dito ng success kung ikaw yung magiging partner niya rito. But for others of you, I'm seeing that this is someone here na posibleng maging friends pa lang kayo at posibleng magsimula kayo dito as business partners. Okay? So, just take how this resonates. But someone here could be planning to team up with you because of your potential. Qualified ka sa hinahanap niya rito ng mga katangian, no, or characteristics ng isang partner. But I think it's about money. Yan, no? More likely, ayun muna. Yung nakikita natin for the both of you. Yan. Okay. So, to follow na lang, no, kung may mabubuo sa inyong emotions and feelings, but this person here, ang nasa mind niya ngayon is, ikaw yung niisip niya na pwede, no, na maging ka-team up niya rito sa negosyo, trabaho, money matters na ito. Okay? Others are preparing to be friends with you, but they're bringing in money offer. Yan, no? So, aside from that, isa sa hindi mo inaasahan, no, na hindi mapipigilang mangyari, Sagittarius is ito na, no? Meron ditong nagmamadali rito, no, at siya to na kasi parang feeling niya, late na siya for this. Alam mo yung parang yung energy na, yung elementary na student na hinahabol na wag malate for plug ceremony 5 a.m. or 7 a.m. in the morning. Ganong klase ng energy, yung tatakbo papuntang gate, no? And then tatakbo hanggang dun sa flagpole, hoping na hindi mo na tumugtog yung lupang hinirang, mga ganyan, no? Sa flag raising, ganong klase ng energy. This person could be owning a motorcycle or any car, but doesn't have to be. But I do see na yung iba planning to buy one if wala pa sila nun. I think this person here is rushing in. Anumang transportation ang gamitin niya, this person here feels like masyado na siyang late for this, but kahit na, I will still give it a try. Someone here will tell you that he or she wants to be with you too. Wow! Because I'm getting that word TOO, which means you are on the same page with this person. Maybe hinihintay mo din siya to reveal his or her emotions and feelings for you. Parang confirmation that you both like or you have both yung same feelings towards each other. And there you go. Someone here is nagiging matapang na aminan na meron rin siyang nararamdaman for you. Ready na siya for this level up na commitment, higher level of commitment with you. Hierophant energy. Someone here is rushing in, coming in towards your way. Okay? And a lot of excitement, saying yes to this relationship. Wow! Especially for those waiting for someone here na maging matapang na ilaban ng inyong connection. That's very, very cool. Okay? And romantic as well. You know, someone here gathers up yung kanyang courage to say it to you that ready na siyang panindigan ang inyong mga nararamdaman. Hindi na ito pag pupumiglasan pa, kundi ito ay talaga namang ipopush na. No? So aside from that, no, beautiful message, I'm also picking up right here, no, prepare for some kind of, parang medyo nakakaramdam tayo ng maligamgam hanggang sa mainit-init na labanan. And yan, miss yan. Well, hindi naman ito mala gladiator, no, grabe naman yun, miss yan. No? Hindi ito isang gera or battle, but I think this is something here na matagal mo nang nilalaban and it has something to do with karapatan. This might not resonate to each and every one of you, pero baka yung iba sa inyo, may nilalaban kayo, may kinalaman sa karapatan or responsibility. And I think you will definitely get that. Pero you need to make laban or stand firm dito. You need to stand still. You need to fight for this. Because I think na yung nilalaban mong karapatan at the end of the day will be all yours. Pero magiging maligamgam to mainit yung magiging argumento or posibleng batuhan, posibleng may kaso dito, posible rin naman na ito ay hindi naman sa korte or hindi naman sa court cases, kundi posibleng nilalaban mo yung karapatan mo into something. Maybe child custody or pwedeng pagsuporta sa bata, sa anak, or maybe it has something to do with legal things like sa house, yung lupa, yung bahay, any contract, okay? At first, it might be such a hassle here, but I think you'll win this, okay? Certainly. But you need to stand still. Kasi magiging maugong yung emosyon at makakaramdam ka dito ng galit. Okay? So it's just an advice and for you to be able to prepare yourself, your mental and, okay, everything, your whole being, you need to prepare for this. Okay? So aside from that, okay, another na bagay na hindi mo dito mapipigilang mangyari. No, ito bakit hindi mo to hayaan na lang? Kasi ang ganda nito eh. May nakikita ko rito nagpapa siyang umalis sa buhay ninyo. Pero nakikita ko na dapat naman talaga siyang umalis. Kasi this person here is a toxic energy. Not meant, I'm gonna repeat it one more time. Not meant, ibig sabihin, hindi talaga siya dapat na nasa buhay mo. So, parang kailangan talaga siyang umalis. You are well invested with this person right here. Yung iba, sige sabihin na natin, you are holding tightly dito sa person na to. Kunyari, you are in a relationship with this toxic, narcissistic, love bomber, gaslighter person. A lot of addictions, kung ano man, no? Or whatever. Yan, nung nakikita kong dapat lang siyang umalis sa buhay mo. Okay? Dahil hindi siya meant na nasa buhay mo. Yan, no? So, if hindi naman ito yung person na may kinalaman sa'yo romantically, I'm getting that this is someone here na nilulubayan ka na, 'no? Dahil posibleng ayoko na, suko na ako rito kay Saji. Hindi ko na alam kung anong gagawin ko. Hindi ko siya rito mahigitan, parang mas lalo lang ako rito na pati ako nakikita ko yung sarili ko na parang lumiliit ako dito or whatever, like, it's now time for me to detach. Yan, no? Ganun yung nakikita ko rito. Saji, someone here is finally deciding to leave you for good. And wag mo na tong habulin because wala talaga siya ritong lugar sa life mo. This person is not meant to stay in your life. So, better, okay? Nahayaan mo na lang siya rito umalis. Yan, no? At sa pag-alis niya, good things will come. Yan, no? May mga tutubo ditong pag-asa. At yung mga yan ay magiging permanente sa buhay mo. Okay? Pentacles are meant to stay. Yeah, this might be coming in pretty slow, but kung ano yung mga susunod na mga darating, no, nakapalit ng pinaalis or hinayaan mong umalis, no, ay magiging permanente or magsi-stay sa buhay mo. Yan, may mga bagay na darating sa'yo na magsi-stay regarding your financial, business, negosyo, work, or even relationships, friendship, and romantic relationships. No, babalanse ang buhay mo, Justice card energy. Yan, you could be seeing a lot of number trees, 333 angel numbers or 444 right here. Yan, just take what resonates. But I'm also getting that you could be seeing as well a lot of number 8s or 888 angel number 888. Okay? So aside from that, nakita rin ako rito sa Sagittarius, no, na isang bagay sa hindi mo mapipigilang mangyari or hindi mo mapipigilang maganap sa iyong life is nakita ko rito that someone here is definitely okay, makikipagkita sa'yo. But this is someone here you already know. Yan, no? Bakit siya makikipagkita sa'yo? Dahil wala lang. Gusto ka lang niya ditong bisitahin. You are one of the people na gusto niya munang makita dito bago siya ulit umalis. You know? I think someone here is posibleng nagbakasyon lang dito and then kailangan niya rin bumalik na sa mga susunod na linggo or might be next month. May mga ganun, no? Parang may mga nagbakasyon lang dito at isa ka sa taong gusto niya ritong pwedeng makilala or makausap, yan, no? Kasi yung iba may nakuha ko dito pero konti lang, no? Na parang this is a new person right here na parang bago siya umalis, gusto ka niya dito ma-meet in person. But for a lot of you, this is someone here you already know, no? Gusto niya muna kayo rito makakwentuhan bago siya rito umalis at isa kayo sa mga tao na bibisitahin niya. So, I think this is someone here na nakikita ko rito na mag-e-enjoy kayong kausap siya. Like, alam mo yung ano, 'di ba kapag nasa bahay ka tapos lang kausap, manood ka ng TV, ang bilis mong kainin yung pagkain mo sa plato mo, eh. Pero dito pagkausap mo siya at kumakain kayo, puro daldalan, puro enjoyment lang ng pag-uusap, hindi na natapos yung pagkain, 'no? Yun yung nakikita ito rito sa Sagittarius. You will definitely have a very nakaka-enjoy na time or bonding time with that person, 'no? And that person here is, yeah, I think parang nakita kasi tayo dito ng parang, may pagbalik, 'no? It's like, I don't know if that's a plane, maybe sa ibang country siya talaga, eh, baka dun yung trabaho niya or dun na siya nakatira 'no, ta's bumisita lang siya here, may mga gano'n. So, this person here would like to see you, so expect some kind of message or communication. Or baka puntahan na lang kayo nito sa workplace ninyo kung alam niya or sa inyong house kung alam niya, 'yan 'no. So, aside from that 'no, Sagittarius, I'm also picking up right here that you will be into this type of situation na gagawa ka ng desisyon na posibleng mabilisan ito. Paspasan, parang kailangan mong gumawa ng desisyon agad-agad, parang within 1 hour kailangan mong gumawa ng desisyon agad. Or parang in a little span of time, kailangan mong gumawa ng desisyon agad, no? May pressure tayo nakikita doon. Pero wag ka mag-alala. Because, yeah, I think it has something to do with your work, with your career, or in your business. related, no? So, nakikita ko dito na kung ano yung desisyon gagawin mo. It might be rush or a little bit na posibleng hindi napag-isipan, I mean, really well, or hindi napag-usapan with your colleagues or gano'n kasi nga may pressure sa time. Pero nakikita ko 'no, na this is something here na parang saved by the bell. So, I think it will definitely create a positive outcome pa rin, so don't need to worry. Yan yung nakikita ko dito kasi may nakita tayo ditong positive 'no, and I think that is small light is something here na indication that huwag kang mag-alala kasi kung ano man yan na parang nagdesisyon ka na parang feeling mo konti yung time mo to make that decision happen, then it's okay. Because everything right here is being handled, no? And I think your angels and guides, no, are with you in making this decision. So, nakaalalay sila rito sa inyo. So, ito yung bagay na unseen divine forces, but they're helping you out in this type of situation because they know that you need their help. So, yeah, no? Meron ka mga munting anghel around you that they want you to succeed on this one. Okay? So, thank you so much mga babes, no, for your time here sa G. And muli ako po si Yan, Sarang Hail of Light. Annyeong!